I head sales for Birla Opus nationally. And today it's a great occasion. We are inaugurating this store, which is franchisee store, a signature store for us, a concept which is building the brand in the market. And incidentally, today is a historic day. We are opening very large number of stores, 70 to be precise, in a single day in the state of Karnataka, which will also build a very strong network of franchisee and experience that we want to give to the consumers across the length and breadth of Karnataka.
Okay, and you have said already we have opened 72 branches in Bangalore or in Karnataka?
No, I said 17 franchisee stores we are opening across Karnataka, including Bangalore, Hubli, Chikmagalur, Gulbarga, etc. And today we have a very large network of franchisee stores across most of the towns in Karnataka.
This is the second franchisee or the first one?
No, no. So we have a very large network in
Only
Bangalore.
in Bangalore.
Bangalore, today we would have a fairly large number of franchisees. Around, I think this is the 10th franchisee we are opening. This is the 10th franchisee, and we are opening few more as we speak in the city.
And any other future plans like making your mark in
Yeah,
the
so
market?
Birla Opus entered the industry last year. It's been the first full year of operation. We have made rapid strides in our distribution, which includes our franchisee stores, our own experience stores, dealer partners, etc. And we built distribution across the length and breadth of the country, crossing 6,000 plus towns. So we'll keep building on that. You'll hear a lot from our side. We'll keep building on the distribution strength that we have built right so far, and more to come.
What can you promise to the customers regarding the loans?
Yeah. So, see, the core promise of Birla Opus when we entered the market was to offer high quality, innovative products and make them more accessible to the consumers. And we also wanted to redefine how a consumer interacts with the paint as a category. We wanted to make it more engaging, immersive, more involved kind of a selection of colors and paints for the consumer. So that's the promise with which we have entered the category, and we'll keep building on that.
Okay, tell us about today. How happy you are. And
Oh, extremely happy, very very happy. We've been working very hard. The entire team has been working hard in creating this kind of experience. And today, why it's very historic. One, obviously, we're opening 17 stores, but also we want to change the way, as I said, how consumers interact with the category. Because paint is not just about picking a color. It has to be it's when you do a paint in your house, it kind of transforms the spaces. It makes the space come alive, which is aligned to the personality of the person or the family living in the house. And through these kind of franchisee stores, we want to bring that alive for the consumer. This is a store where the paint purchase is going to be led by an expert. Along with an expert, it's an immersive, engaging experience, very touch and feel. You can go through the entire store, finish, look at the panels, etc., and be able to select something which suits your house, your decor, your personality, versus doing a plain Jane, going to a counter, just selecting a can of paint and coming back.
Thank you. Sir, comparing to other paints, what are specialty do you have, sir?
So, lot many things. One is today we can say with confidence that we are offering the best quality paint available to the consumers, and that's been clearly established in our presence in the market. We are also changing the way consumers interact, as I said, with the paint, because paint selection. Because once you do a color or pick a color, you'll have to live with that color for a few years. You cannot change it very easy, and hence selection of color, selection of the right paint is not a very easy decision today for the consumer. So both in terms of selection, how do you engage with the purchase process, how we are providing the expertise and the immersive kind of a experience. At the same time, we are providing a lot of solutions. Today, doing painting is not an easy task. It calls for a lot of time investment, lot of effort, etc. And we're providing that solution. And as we say, we are taking pain out of painting. That's what we endeavor to do.
ನಾವು ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೇಮಶೇಖರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು 20 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ಓಪಸ್ ಪೈಂಟು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರು, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಟಾಪ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ಓಪಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿರ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟು ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಟೈಲ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.